Welcome everyone, this is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty, and today I'm going to show you how to exfoliate your skin. So one of my favorite products to use to exfoliate my skin is called sexApeel by Sonia Roselli, and it's extremely simple to use. You just spray it on your skin, you rub it in, and then you rinse it off, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it. Okay, so I've been using sexApeel for several years now, and it is one of my favorite products to use to exfoliate your skin. It's really simple and you can actually see it work, which is really reassuring. So you may want to pick that up if you're looking for an exfoliation product and you don't have a good one yet.